So we shouldn't have any water right there at all. So there's a little belly right there. So this is all cast iron inside here, but it'll transfer to Orangeburg.
How far out are you? About 10 feet?
Yeah.
16?
It's probably a little less, probably about 2 feet below before that. So here you can see we're already in something. We got a small blockage here already. Okay. And
No, it's fine, Mom.
we're still in. So we were still in cast iron with all that stuff in there. So it almost looks like. And this right here is going to be the Orangeburg. So almost looks like.
Can you smell the sewage right now coming
Can
up?
I smell it?
Yeah.
I could probably smell sewer gas, maybe. It doesn't bother me, so if it's just, minute, I can't really smell it. Because I've been doing this so long that I've kind of gotten used to it.
Right.
So this Orangeburg actually doesn't look too bad. It looks like a hole right here. See that?
Yeah. Goes all the way to the main line.
Yeah, this will go all the way to the city.
There was some tears there.
That was actually a joint, and there was a little bit of roots coming in right there, but not bad.
What are these piles of things that we're
That's poop and toilet paper. Okay, so there, see that's a joint there, and then you got a little bit of root coming in there. Now, we have a major backup here already. Now?
Yeah.
Yeah, we should be in water at all. Push out to the city first and come back and see if we don't see much. But that's what Orangeburg does, is it'll start to hang up all that all the toilet paper and poop, but it doesn't allow it to flow freely.
Because it loses the smoothness.
Right, it's rough. It has all those, bubbles in them that pop. And it doesn't want to move anymore for me. See that?
Yeah.
The big one right there. No, that's actually a big bubble that's popped. It's almost like a pizza crust. And then you pop the pizza crust.
Sure.
And then there it is. That little
Thank you, Corey. I've never eaten pizza.
As I use it in the analogy of a swiveling. Yeah. See, it's pretty bad if my camera won't go no further. Because looks like it's almost in a big hole here. Your pipe's bad, so the water will sit in there, just like that. So that's what's causing all the water to come back in the house, is over time it builds up. And obviously we know it's not very much time, less than 2 months, and it comes back.
And what's the blockage?
It'll be the toilet paper and the poop getting hung up on the Orangeburg pipe. So the cause of the problem is this pipe itself. See, I can't even get my camera through here. So you skip to the city because of this hole in the pipe right here.
So there's no, what I'm hearing, Tori, is there's just no point to fix the 2 spots.
No, because it's the pipe. So you kind of open that pipe and you create another weak spot. You want to replace the whole thing. Now you could do, if you want, you can dig down and replace those 2 spots.
I hear you, and I agree with you.
But your money's going to be better spent replacing the whole thing, because you're just going to run into the same problem in a couple of years, because this this is gonna start happening, you know, the water will get in between the layers, and then
And
just
it'll
turn it
all
into a
bubble.
soggy cardboard tube, and it'll just collapse, and, so I can't get past this spot, no matter how hard I try. So, there's a big hole right there. As you can see, we should be up here.
Right.
We go down here, and we're actually underwater right there at that point. Can we get a toilet flush?
Yes.
Oh, I can get that, I like that.
Tori? My read on you is that you actually have an ethical compass. That since I've left and this woman is currently 92, there have been a large number of people who see defenseless, stupid,
Right,
evil
right, and
women
that's
suck over and
Right.
over and over and over.
And that's what I got, that's what I read from you when I first came in, and I understand, you know, I understand where we're at, you know, and that's why I wanted to make sure you understood why.
I just put in, 2 years ago, I put in like a brand new $200 Mullen sink faucet. Nice. And a lifetime warranty. If it ever fucks up, bring it back. Some guy convinced her, no, this isn't a lifetime, this is your problem, and he put in like a $60 Walmart special.
Wow.
And took it. It's
Wow.
just stuff like that. Oh, you know, but no, I get it. I do. So they thought this was the cat's pajamas 60 years ago.
They did. And the reason why is lightweight, you know, one guy could handle it, slaps in easy, you know, and it's lasted over 50 years in the ground, you know, it's actually a pretty good product. I mean, name something that lasts above ground that they build today. Nothing.
Well,
I mean, even your car died
no.
before 50 years, you know, your TVs are gone in 2 to 3, you know, your computer's outdated right after you
6
buy
months.
it. Right.
Yeah.
So, you know, for a product to last underground for 50 years, that's pretty amazing.
Well, if you
ask me.
can, so 75 feet, that's
So, let's
about midpoint where the
stop
garage